Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Very Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this soundbar. It's a mini one from F&D. You can see, and the model number is E200 and fender.com. So I bought this today, and for 999 only. You can see that's the price, 999, and I paid 100 extra shipping charge for faster delivery, but the price is 999. So that's it. You can see this is the box, and you can see designed in California. That's the soundbar, that how it looks, and that's the big volume control knob here, and that's the red light, I guess. We're gonna see that. And on this side you can see the specs are here. Slim and simple design, fits any space. Power output RMS, total 1.5 watt plus 1.5 watt, 2 channel, 1.5 for each, and input 5 volt, 1 ampere. Gross weight 0.38 kgs, like 800 grams, and that's the dimension, and made in China. So that's it. Let's open this thing. And there it is. You can see this is the front grille here. That looks nice. And let's get this thing out of the box. And you can see a tail here. That's the wear. Oops. Alright, so this is a E200 user manual. You can see what everything is in Chinese. Well, English on this side. That's it. And this is the warranty registration certificate. And I don't know, dealer or retailer didn't stamp it, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not. So anyway, just keep it aside. And that's the soundbar itself. Let's remove this packet. That's it. That's the front grill, metal grill, and it's a hard plastic body, I guess. The finish is very nice, matte black finish, and the quality looks very good. And you can see at the bottom here are the angle pads, so stay upward just like this. And that's the volume control, a very big and shiny one. That's plus and minus. And at the front you can see the F&D mini soundbar logo is there. And on this side, let's remove that. And on the back, that's the specs here. You can see same as on the box. And you can see the wall mount option is there on the both sides. And at this corner you can see that's the socket for headphone. There's a 5 volt power input socket, and that's the audio input 3.5 mm jack with card. And this is USB part. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's a Very Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this one, F&D Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Very Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this soundbar. It's a mini one from, well, that's a 1.5 feet scale, 18 inches, you can see. So let's measure this. That's a 16 inch, you can see. Not very small, but they're good. And if I look closely, you can see this part nothing is in there, just behind this grill, nothing else, because that's the amplifier part, the back side, power supply, amplifier, everything is there. So nothing is there inside at the front. The speaker drivers start from here. That's a 2-inch driver, and on this side there is another 2-inch driver, left channel and the right channel, and in between these two are the passive radiators. I don't know if you can see that, just like that. Yeah, probably you can see just a bit. So these two are the passive radiators. That's gonna give the bass effect. But that's the nice thing I like about this one. So let's connect this and let's hear the sound a bit. Alright, so I have connected the power supply here. That's a USB and a mobile charger, 1 ampere. Now let's turn this on. And you can see that's the red light that's on now. That looks very beautiful. And I've connected this to my mobile here. Now let's play a song.
She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow when I feel alone. I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me.
As you hear, the bass is also very good, and the bass and the pressure, sound pressure is there. You can feel that. So that's it for now. I'm gonna do a detailed sound test video later, but first I'm gonna use this. So that's it. That's a very nice mini soundbar at 999. That's a very nice price for this one. The sound is very crispy and clear, and also the bass is there. So you can use this with your laptop or desktop PC, even with your mobile, and even you can connect it to your TV. But for the TV, this is not probably a good idea, I guess, because this is a very small thing for a TV, of course. So, but for other stuff, the laptop, the desktop PC, or even mobile, it's a very good thing. And I'm gonna use it with my PC, desktop PC. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.